Hello friend, welcome back to my another very exciting tutorial. Here are the easy IT. Today I am going to show you how you can install WordPress locally on your computer. Before starting the installation process, I am going to show you some demo websites that I will make by the help of installing XAMPP and WordPress 2 in my local host. Okay, let's see it.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Before starting the video, if this is your first time at EasyIT channel, then click on the subscribe button and enable the notification to get more new videos. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your browser. I will open Google Chrome and simply search in here WordPress download. So in here you can see download WordPress. Simply click this first link and download it. So you can see in here the downloading process will be start. So next we will download XAMPP. So simply click new tab and search XAMPP. So you can see in here XAMPP installation and download. Simply click this first link. You can see in here XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux and XAMPP for OS. I'll simply click this first option. So you can see in here the XAMPP downloading process will be start. When the downloading process is complete, simply go into your download file location. In here you can see WordPress and XAMPP. So first of all we will install XAMPP. So simply right click and run as administrator. So simply click next. I will install it my C drive and simply click next. Here you can see the installation process is start. Before you making your project in WordPress, you need to start Apache and MySQL. So I will start it and I will minimize it. When the XAMPP installing process is complete, simply go into your WordPress file and copy it and paste in htdocs folder, because our website we will make in htdocs folder. So simply go into your XAMPP installing location and so in here you can see htdocs. So double click this folder and paste in here. Then simply extract this file right click and extract here. Then we will rename it and give your project file name. For example, I will write in here easyit. Then before you start the WordPress installation process, you will create your database. So we will open our Chrome browser and search localhost phpMyAdmin. So in here you can see this dashboard. Simply click this database and give database name. In this section, you will give your database name when you rename in htdocs folder and create. So our database will be created. Then we don't need this screen, so I will close it. Now I will start WordPress setup. So I will simply open this Chrome browser and search localhost / give your htdocs folder name easyit. So simply click this continue and click this let's go. In this database name, you will give your htdocs folder name and username will be always root and password will be blank and data host will be localhost and table prefix is wp and submit. Run the installation. In the site name, I will give the same name when I rename in htdocs folder easyit and give username and password. I will write admin and give your email address and simply click this install WordPress. And login in. Give your username and give your password. Then you will see in here the dashboard will be open. If you want to see website, simply click the new tab and search and you can see in here the default website. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.